चय चय चंडिकायमाने
संसार हालाहल मोहा शांति
संसार हालाहल मोह शांति
आबाहु पुषाकारम
आबाहु उषाकारं
संघचक्रासिधारिणम
संघचक्रासिधारिणं
सहस्रासि संश्वेतम
सहस्रासि संश्वेतं
प्रणमामि पतंजलिं
प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम्
Exhale, open your eyes, Samasthiti. Rolling your shoulder back, hips together. Ekam inhale, Uddhasthasana, raise your hand, palms together. Doing exhale, Uttanasana, open your hands to the side, both hands outside the feet, smooth at your chin. Inhale, Uddhasthasana, spine straight, head up. Chatwari, bend your legs, one by one leg back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbow, close the rib cage, lift your shoulder. Pancha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, stretch your ankle, lift your knee, head up. Shat, Adho Mukha Svanasana, lift your navel, Navi Drishti, hold. Ekam, knees down, pat your finger. Dve, Shreni, heels outside. Chatwari, lengthen your spine, lift your buttocks higher. Punch, now inhale, head up, bend your legs one by one leg forward, feet together. Up to exhale, forehead to shin. Nava, Uddhasthasana, raise your hand, palms together. Head up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, Uddhasthasana. Do exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardhuttanasana, head up. Chatwari, bend your legs one by one leg back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbow close the rib cage. Pancha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Stretch your ankle, lift your chest, head up. Shat, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold. Look in your navel, push down. Lift your buttocks higher. Ekam. Deep Ujjayi. Dve. Shreni. Deep Ujjayi, Chatwari. Punch, now inhale, head up, bend your legs, jump forward. Feet together. Ashto, forehead to shin. Nava, Uddhasthasana, palms together. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, Uddhasthasana. Dve exhale, Uttanasana. Shreni, inhale, Ardhuttanasana. Chatwari, bend your knee, both palms down, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold. Spread your finger, lift your buttocks higher, squeeze your abdominal. Dve. Shreni. Chatwari. Punch, now Sapta, bend your legs, jump forward. Ashto, forehead to shin. Nava, Uddhasthasana, raise your hand with your thumb. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, Uddhasthasana, your gaze point in your thumb, Angushtana, Drishti. Dve exhale, Uttanasana, Nasagraha Drishti. Shreni, inhale, Ardhuttanasana. Chatwari, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana, Bhumachya Drishti. Pancha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Antara Drishti. Shat, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Nabi Drishti. Hold. Ekam, look outside. Dve. Shreni. Chatwari. Punch now. Sapta, head up, bend your leg, jump forward. Ashto, forehead to shin. Nava, raise your hand, Uddhasthasana, palms together. Exhale, Samastiti. One more round. Ekam inhale, Urdhvastasana. Dve exhale, Uttanasana. Train inhale, Ardha-Uttanasana. Chatwari jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold. Ekam, deep Ujjayi. Dve, look in your navel. Train in knee straight. Chin touch in your chest, look in your navel. Chatwari. Punch, now inhale, head up, bend your legs, jump forward. Ashto, Uttanasana. Nava, Urdhvastasana, raise your hand, palms together. Exhale, Samastiti. Now start Surya Namaskara B. Ekam inhale, Utkatasana. Your big toe, shoulder, knee in one line, both hands front the face. Engage in your core, arms straight. Dve exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana, chin to chin. Train inhale, Ardha-Uttanasana, head up. Chatwari jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Roll your shoulder back, head up. Lift your chest. Shat, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Sapta, right leg front, Virabhadrasana. Your feet between the hands. Left heel inward, raise your hand, palms together. Bend your right knee 90 degrees. Ashto, exhale, both hands down. Now shift your right leg back to the Chaturanga. Nava, Urdhva Mukha Svan. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekadasa, left leg front, Virabhadrasana. Right wrist down, right foot in 45. Bend your left knee 90 degrees, palms together. Dwadasa, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbow close the face. Triyodasa, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Head up. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Nabhi Drishti, hold. Ekam, deep Ujjayi. Dve. Treni. Chatwari. Punch, now punch dasa, inhale, head up, bend your legs, jump forward. Show dasa, 4 at two shin. Sapta dasa, bend your legs, Utkatasana, both hands from the face, palms together. Exhale, Samastiti. Ekam inhale, Utkatasana. Dve exhale, Uttanasana, fold forward. Train inhale, Ardha-Uttanasana, head up. Chatwari, bend your legs, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Touch your ankle, lift your knee and thigh. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Look in your navel. Sapta, right leg front, Virabhadrasana. Left heel down, raise your hand. Ashto, exhale, both hands down. Now right leg back, Chaturanga. Nava, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Lift your chest, head up. Dasa, Adho Mukha Svan. Exhale, look in your navel. Ekadasa, left leg front, Virabhadrasana. Right heel down, palms together. Dwadasa, exhale, hands down, move your leg back, Chaturanga. Triyo, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Lift your knee. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold, 5 long breaths. Ekam, deep Ujjayi. Dve. Treni. Chatwari. Panchadasa, inhale, head up, bend your legs, jump forward. Shodasa, 4 at two shin. Saptadasa, Utkatasana, raise your hand, palms together. Exhale, Samastiti. Continue. Ekam inhale, Utkatasana. Deep Ujjayi. Dve exhale, Uttanasana. Fold forward. Train inhale, Ardha-Uttanasana, head up. Chatwari jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, right leg front, Virabhadrasana. Raise your palms together. Ashto exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Bending your elbow, close the ribcage. Nava, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Head up, looking the sky. Dasa, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lifting your navel. Ekadasa, left leg front, Virabhadrasana. Palms together, looking your thumb. Dwadasa, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbow close the ribcage. Bhumadhya Drishti. Triyodasa, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Head up. Chaturdasa, exhale. Nabhi Drishti. Hold. Ekam. Ujjayi. Straight back in your fingers. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your back. Straight. Knee straight. Chatwari. Inhale. Head up. Bend your legs. Jump forward. Feet together. Shodasa. 4 activation. Saptadasa. Utkat Asana. Exhale. Samasthiti. Ekam inhale. Utkat Asana. Dve exhale. Uttanasana. Fold forward. Train inhale. Ardhuttanasana. Head up. Chatwari. Jump back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta. Right leg front. Virabhadrasana. Ashto exhale. Open your hand to the side. Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Lift your knees. Stretch your ankle. Head up. Dasa. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lifting your navel. Ekadasa. Left leg front. Virabhadrasana. Dwadasa. Exhale. Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyo. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Chaturdasa. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold 5 long breaths. Deep Ujjayi. Ekam. Dve. Treni. Chatwari. Panch now. Panchadasa. Inhale. Head up. Bend your legs. Jump forward. Shodasa. 4 activation. Saptadasa. Utkatasana. Raising your palms together. Exhale. Samasthiti. Now legs apart. 1 foot catching your waist. Rolling your shoulder back. Ekam inhale. Head up. Two exhale. Fold forward. Halfway. Grab in your big toe. Padankush Asana. Head to big toe pose. Lengthen your spine straight. Two exhale. Go to the posture. Open your elbow. Open your shoulder. Head down. Head between the legs. Ekam. Deep Ujjayi. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your lower back. Knee bend and lengthen your spine. Two. Your gaze point tip of the nose. Nasagra Drishti. Training. Head down. Head down. Chatwari. Pancha. Now training. Inhale. Head up. Now both palms under the feet. Padhastasana. Open your shoulder. Exhale. Head down. Go to the posture. Ekam. Deep Ujjayi. Knee straight. Stretch your lower back. Stretch your calves. Hamstring buttocks. Dve. Training. Punch. Now training. Inhale. Head up. Exhale. Now catch in your waist. Inhale. Come up. Samasthiti. Feet together. Comfort your mat. Samasthiti. Now next asana. Uddiyana Trikonasana. Legs apart. 3 to 3.5. Right side. Right side. Extending your hands to the side. Now turn to the right foot out 90 degree and left foot in 45. Now stretch your body to the right side halfway. Now exhale. Grab in your big toe. Or catching your ankle, knee straight. Your arms and shoulder in one line. Moving your shoulder back. The gaze point. Hastagra Drishti. Ekam. Deep Ujjayi. Knee straight. Twist. Your arms, shoulder, and buttocks in one line. Training, knee straight. Chatwari. Punch. Now training inhale, come up, feet parallel, open your hands to the side. Now turn to the left foot out and right foot in 45. Now stretch your body to the left side. Now grab your big toe and hold. Raise your right hand up. Your arms and shoulders in all line, hold. Ekam, deep ujjayi. Dve. Training. Ujjayi sound. Chatwari. Lift your shoulder up. Punch. Now punch, inhale, come up. Feet parallel. Revolve, triangle pose. Now turn to the right foot out and left foot in. Parvarta Trikonasana. Raise your left hand up. Patak here. Now twist your body to the right side. Place the left arm outside the right leg. Twist your pose. Raise your right hand. Ekam. Left foot down. Knee straight. Dve. Deep ujjayi. Training. Chatwari. Open your shoulder. Punch now. Training will come up. Feet parallel. Now change to the other side. Turn to the left foot out and right foot in 45. Raise your right hand up. Exhale. Now twist your body to the left side. Your right palms outside the left feet. Ekam, deep ujjayi. Balance. Dve. Training. Chatwari. Knee straight. Punch. Now inhale, come up. Feet parallel, now come front to your mat. Samasthiti. Next asana. Upita Parsvakonasana. Legs apart, right side, 44.5. Ekam, open your hands to the side. Dve, turn to the right foot out, 90 degree and left foot in 45. Now bending your right knee 90 degree, right knee outside. Now exhale, now right palms down outside beside the feet and left hand over the head. Open your pelvis, open your shoulder blades, your gaze point in your Hastagna, middle finger. Ekam, hands close the air. Dve, over the head. Gaze point in your middle finger. Training. Knee ankle in one line. Chatwari. Pancha. Now training will come up, feet parallel. Turn to the left foot out and right foot in. Bending your left knee 90 degree. Now exhale, left hand beside the feet, right hand over the head. Hold. Open your shoulder. Deep ujjayi. Ekam. Dve. Knee ankle in one line. Bend your left knee. Training. Open your shoulder blade. Hands close the air. Stretch your arms. Chatwari. Punch now. Train. Punch and heel. Come up. Parvarta Parsvakonasana. Turn to the right foot out 90 degree and left foot in 45. Bending your right knee 90 degree. Raise your left hand up. Exhale, now twist your body to the right side. Your arms, feet touch the knee. Left hand beside the feet and right hand over the head. Left wrist inward. Open your shoulder. Left hip down. Hands close the air. Ekam, deep ujjayi. If you can't palms together, open your shoulder. Dve, deep ujjayi. Training. Your right arm and left knee in one line. Chatwari, ujjayi. Punch. Now training will come up, feet parallel. Turn to the left foot out. Bend your left knee 90 degree. Raise your right hand up. Exhale. Now twist your body to the left side. Right palms outside the feet and left hand over the head. Hold. Ekam. Bend your left knee 90. Off your shoulder blade. Your gaze point, middle finger. Training. Hastagna, arm feet are sitting in. deep ujjayi. Close the area. Chatwari. Punch. Now inhale, come up. Feet parallel. Now come front to your mat. Samasthiti. Exhale. Next asana, Prasarita Paduttanasana. Wide stance forward pose. Legs apart, right side, 3 feet. Your toes in, knees straight. Now Ekam, catch in your waist, roll in your shoulder back, head up, lift your chest up. Do a exhale, fold forward, both palms down, bend forward halfway. Both palms touch to the mat. Training exhale, go to the posture. Your palms, your hands between the legs. Bend your elbow, top of the head in the mat. Bend from the hip. Your middle finger and heels in one line. Bend from the hip. Do it. Lengthen your spine, stretch your lower back. Do it. Your gaze point tip of the nose. Training. Chatwari. Punch. Now train. Inhale, head up. सामने की ओर देखना है. Exhale, catch in your waist. Punch. Inhale, come up. Open your hands to the side. Ekam. Do a catch in your waist. Roll in the shoulder back. Head up. Train. Exhale. Lengthen your spine. Fold forward. Stretch your calves. Hamstring. Top of the head in the mat. Toes in. Ekam, deep ujjayi. Head down. Your head touch to the mat. Tway. Training, knee straight. Chatwari. Now Chatwari, inhale, come up. Exhale, back straight. Prasarita Paduttanasana. C. Ekam, extending your hands to the side. Dve, both hands back, interlock in your finger, roll in your shoulder back, stretch your arms, head up, off your chest. Training exhale, go to the posture, lengthen your spine, stretch your arms, your palms touch to the mat. Exhale, touch to the floor. Exhale, hold. Ekam, deep ujjayi. Dve. Training. Chatwari. Punch. Now exhale, catch in your waist. Chatwari, inhale, come up, back straight. One more time. Ekam, open your hands to the side. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Halfway grab in your big toe. Inhale, head up, lengthen your spine straight. Train, exhale, go to the posture. Open your elbow, head down. Ekam, deep ujjayi, head down. Knee straight. Dve. Training. Chatwari. Punch. Now train, inhale, head up. Halfway, exhale, catch in your waist. Punch up, open your hands. Now come front to your mat. Samasthiti. Feet together. Now next asana, Purvattanasana. Parshvottanasana. Legs apart, 2 feet. Parshva, feet parallel. Now both hands back. Paschim Namaskara, palms together. If you can't catch your elbow, yeah, interlock in your finger. Now turn to the right foot out 90 degree and left foot in 45. Buttocks square. Now inhale, Ekam, head up. Dve, go to the posture. Fold forward. Lengthen your spine. Chin to shin. Padagra Drishti, your gaze point in your feet. Palms together. Ekam, knee straight, knee straight. Dve. Training. Deep ujjayi. Chatwari. Punch. Now training, he'll come up. feet parallel, turn to the left feet out and right feet in. And up, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, go to the posture. Lengthen your spine, stretch to your back. Hold. Ekam, deep ujjayi. Three. Straining. Chatwari. Now punch and inhale, come up, feet parallel. Now feet parallel. Now come front to your mat. Samasthiti. Next asana. उठित एक पाद हस्त पादंगुष्ठ आसना, एक्सटेंडेड हैंड टू विक्टो पोज. ठीक है, जिनसे होता है वो ग्रैब करेंगे पैरों को. बाकी सभी पहले ये पोजीशन में करना है आपने. कैच इन योर नी, देन ओपन रिलैक्स टू द साइड एंड टर्न टू द नेक, लेफ्ट साइड पार्श्वदृष्टि, एंड देन पादंगुष्ठ आसना से उठित दिस वन हियर, कैच इन योर वेस्ट, लिफ्ट योर लेग 90 डिग्री. स्टार्ट. फीट टुगेदर, समस्थिति. Left hand to catch in your waist. Now A, come inhale. Lift your right leg up and grab in your big toe. Do exhale. Leg straight. If you can try chin to shin and hold. A, come, balance. Do A. Straining. Chatwari. Now training. Head up, सामने की ओर. Chatwari. Open your legs to the right side. Hold. Your gaze point left, Parsva Drishti. Ekam, balance. Hold. Dve. Deep Ujjayi. Treni. Chatwari. Now punch, inhale, leg front. Shut, exhale, forehead to knee. Sapta, right leg straight and both hands to catch in your waist and hold. Hold. Lift your right leg up 90 degree. Stretch your right thigh.